Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! We hope you had a fantastic and successful week. I'm your host Gary G, and today we're gonna start a brand new build. But first, as always, the riddle! What was Shelby's first name? A. Carol, B. Chris, or C. Charles? The answer is always the end of a show. This week we start a brand new build. It's based on a Shelby Cobra 427. But see for yourself down in the garage. Welcome here in the garage. We started our build by chopping off the front end. So after some sanding, time for a first test fit. Time to glue the differential together and take care on the chassis. And after some painting, we were ready for the first mock-up. On this build we decided to get rid of the front fenders. That's why we're clipping off the front fenders right here. But that's all for this week. Now back to the studio. This week we started a brand new build, the Shelby Cobra. Of course we tried to give our own spin on it, and so we decided to show a little bit more of that beautiful engine. So we get rid of the front fenders and it's gonna have a little bit more of a hot rod look. And the name is gonna be the Green Cobra. But now to the riddle. Mr. Shelby was born in 1923 in Texas as the son of a farmer. But what was his first name? The answer in the riddle. Alright, we arrived at the end of another Saturday morning show. We hope you enjoyed the time with us, and we join each other next Saturday morning again at Car Dreams in Styrene. But now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. So, this was another episode of Car Dreams in Styrene. I hope you enjoyed a little bit the time with me and my wife. Try to not hurt anyone. Try to blah blah blah. I had no clue what I should say.